I'm so glad you guys could join me today. Well, not only today, but kind of just throughout the course of this series of videos we're going to be doing here at the NXTZEN channel, or on the NXTZEN channel. I'm your host and guide, Anthony, for all things NXTZEN. Behind me is a 2016 Audi S8. It's black. Right now it's just dirt. But it's black, it's got a metallic flake to it. It does have PPF on the front. But man, this thing just, it's in rough shape. So we are going to bring it back to life. We're gonna go through the whole engine area, wheels, tires, wheel wells. We're gonna be doing the paint. We're gonna be going through the interior and stuff. And I'm gonna show you guys, for both our pros and our consumers, the NXTZEN line of products. And like for instance, our Super Clean, and how this gets mixed up for not only doing, you got your little spray bottle, for not only doing the greasy, grimy stuff like engines, but also wheels, tires, wheel wells, and then we're gonna bring it into the interior. I'm gonna show you how it gets mixed up dilution-wise for the interior leather and vinyl, cleaning all that material really good. We're gonna go over the NXT Protect and getting the leather and vinyl treated. We're also gonna be doing, for the pros, the L coat. It's cleaning, prep, and then application of the L coat. We're also going to be going over coatings and the NXTZEN Cutmaster system. We're gonna be using the NXTZEN Cutmaster system to get this paint polished. I'm gonna go over the mixtures and how I mix abrasives, kind of my favorite go-tos. And we're gonna do a prep on it. We're going to get a coating on there. I'm gonna do kind of all the coatings. I'm gonna go over all of the coatings, everything from our consumer coatings all the way up to our professional 9-year. First and foremost though, we're gonna clean this bad boy up. We're gonna go through what I do and how I clean the engines, how I do the wheels, the tires, and how I get the paint prepped. We're gonna go through the iron decon for that. The iron decon, this stuff right here, it's actually gonna get a little bit of a name change. It's gonna go to body and wheel wash, or wheel and body wash actually. Then I'm gonna show you also how to use the ZEN. That's how the Aussies say it. This is actually gonna get a name change also. This will now be Rinseless Wash and Rinseless Wash Ultra. I love the way the Aussies say that. ZEN. It just sounds so regal and professional. Love their accent. I'm not even quite sure that they probably don't really talk like that in real life, right? When like nobody's listening, it's just them. Hey, why don't you pass me that ZEN, huh? That's probably more like it. So we're gonna be going through this whole process here, and please join me. Come along for the ride. Grab some popcorn, your beverage of choice. I'm gonna have a few of mine, and let's just do this, all right? Love for you to comment on the videos. There's gonna be different segments for interior, engine, the paint, the coatings. So give me some feedback. Let me know, what you like to see. Is there a certain product that you would like kind of highlighted? Maybe it's like the Ceramic Express, the Easy Dry. Just let me know down below what you guys would like to see in that. But really appreciate you guys just coming along for the journey. Like I said, it's going to be a nice long series of in-depth detailing. Not only will I talk about the NXTZEN products, but along the way I'm going to just give you some tips and tricks that you guys can use for taking care of your personal vehicles and also for the pros out there. Y'all take care, be good.